guys, it's the Thoughtful Gardener. I want to talk to you today about a problem that is going to become something that will affect each and every one of you, regardless if you are only a consumer or you're a gardener, and that is fertilizer. You may not realize that the majority of our fertilizer comes from gas. That's right, petroleum is used to create fertilizer, and the majority of the fertilizer in the world comes from Russia. Now, I'm not here to talk politics with you, nor am I going to debate anyone on this channel about whether these are good or bad ideas. But what I am going to tell you is there's a fertilizer shortage. Fertilizer shortages are going to cause food shortages. It's already happening in countries where they use fertilizer for food and they can no longer get those fuels for the fertilizer. They are starting to see mass shortages. Mass shortages means famines. I'm not trying to scare you, but I am trying to educate you that we're in a sincere crisis. If we don't have enough fertilizer, we can't grow enough food. If we don't have enough food, well, that tells you everything you need to know. I hope to goodness you have good relationships with your local farmers, or that you are considering growing a garden yourself in your backyard. If you need help with that, this channel is designed to help you grow more food with less effort, using techniques like no-dig gardening and using techniques to attract more pollinators to your yard. Food scarcity is a reality, and it's very important that you quickly get on board with taking care of you, your family, and your community. How can you do that? You can grow food in your own yard. How do you do that? You can do that by subscribing to this channel, liking this channel, sharing with other like-minded individuals, and starting to grow your own food. We are just in growing season here in central Pennsylvania, Zone 7A. We're past our last frost, and the ground is finally warm enough for warm season vegetables. If you've never grown food before, it's important that you invest in your own education and get up to speed quickly on how to grow your own garden. I really love this topic, and I can help you, your family, and your community grow more food sustainably by using permaculture techniques. Never heard of permaculture? You need to get familiar with it. You better get familiar with it fast, because finding fertilizer this year is going to be challenging. And if you can find it, it's going to be expensive. So there are ways to get more food by attracting more pollinators. There are ways to grow more food by using no-dig techniques. There are ways to grow more food by composting your own table scraps. All of that is right here on this channel, but it's important that you like, subscribe so you get notifications, and that you share with other like-minded individuals. Garden thoughtfully and take care.